Hi friends, I'm getting ready for the gym. So I want to share with you the new gloves that I'm gonna use today. These are size L size and are made for a high quality material. Came in this bag right here. Let me show you how they are. So are black. In this part have this strap that can help you um, to take all the things that you need in the gym. So you just put it in your hand this way. So this have a Velcro here. And this is the way that they look. Came with these forms that can help you to have a better exercise. I'm gonna put the other. This feels so good, feels soft, feels strong. The materials are perfect for the gym. So you can protect your hands with these gloves, and you have the best execution for your exercise. So let's go to the gym and let me show you how to use it.